Let's try and stick this to the golf buggy window.
Go.
Ready? Ready? Oh! No, you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't. Ah! Ah! It's on my leg. Ah! 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 My leg. Ah! 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 Right, the first shout out is to Isabel.
Hi, Isabel!
Hi, Isabel. Shout out to Destiny.
Hi, Destiny!
Shout out to Jessica.
Hi, Jessica!
A shout out to Kitty.
I'm sending you love!
Right guys, today we've got the golf buggy out. We're going to make some slam. Angel and Leah are going to make some slam and they're going to try and throw it onto the front window of the golf buggy while I'm driving, and we're going to make some super sticky slam. Who do you think will win?
I'm going to make you crash, Daddy.
You're not going to make me crash. Don't be cheeky. Angel thinks she's going to throw it in.
But you don't even have driving license.
I know. I don't.
I know, because you're a wacky racer.
I know. Should we go? I am a wacky racer. Angel, should we go make the slam then?
Yeah.
Let's go make the slam. Come on guys, don't forget guys, if you like this video, leave a comment with your name and we'll give you a shout out. Give it a like and hit the subscribe button right now if you want to see what happens in this video. Come on guys, come on, come on. Guys, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on.
Come on Angel, right, we're here.
We're here.
We're here, let's make some slam now. Ready? Ready? Right, let's make our slam. Quick Angel.
I've got my glove here. Because I'm going to...
Colour glue do you want, Leah? White one?
Yeah.
White one. Right guys, we're going to put shaving foam. Oh Angel, my shaving foam's run out. Oh no. Have I got some more? Oh, I've got another one, Ready?
You don't put shaving cream in first, you put the glue in first.
Oh no, sorry. Right, let's put that in there first.
Take the lid off.
Now we need some more glue. Oh, Angel, have we got any glue left?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got some glue. Right, I'm putting glue in, man. What?
Glue!
I ain't got blue. So what about yellow or green?
Oh,
Yellow.
So much glue on.
Oh, that's enough, Angel, because we might not have enough colour. Right, super yellow slam for me.
Not yellow.
Yeah, yellow for Leah. You do it, you do
I
it.
need shaving cream.
Okay, well, let's mix it, guys.
I need some shaving foam.
Quick, which one? That one.
Okay.
Quick, let's mix it. Oh, no, Angel, you've dropped it in the glue. No, you have to take it now. Oh, disgusting. There's another one, there's another one.
Good.
There's another one.
Because I don't want to.
Quick, quick, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that super sticky, fluffy slime. Angel, we need some activator.
I'm using the whole bottle of this.
What, the whole bottle of shaving foam?
Sorry, I have the activator.
I'm going to use this activator. This is borax. I'm going to use the borax in, man.
That's enough.
That's enough in
That's
there.
the whole tub.
Do a test with my slime.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's do a test to see if it'll stick to the golf buggy. Ready? So let's try and stick this to the golf buggy window and see if Angel and Leo can stick it onto the golf buggy when I drive past. Ready?
Fun.
Oh! Oh!
Go.
Ready? Ready? Oh! Leo, I won't be able to see. What are you doing? Your slam's everywhere. Get back. I won't be able to see where I'm going. Oh! Oh! Look at my golf buggy. Oh, I'll never be able to see where I'm going now, guys, when I'm driving. I hope I don't have a crash.
You guys who say Daddy needs to crash down below.
Oh! You've got slam everywhere, Lee. It's all over the floor.
It doesn't even matter.
Let me put this on. It's like a vest. Is that keeping your shoulder cool? Let me see if I make a necklace. Oh, you got a bit on your ear. You got a bit on your ear. Lift your head up. Lift your head up. So let me try and stick some on the car window. Ready?
Okay. I'm ready.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is super sticky.
Mine's not even getting off my hand.
Rub it on the window. Rub it on. Right, guys, now I'm going to drive the golf buggy and Angel and Leo are going to try and throw. Are you going to drive with me, Leo? Yeah, Angel, me and Leo are going to drive the golf buggy and Angel is going to try and throw some slime at the window and see if she can stick it on as we drive past. Right, come on, come on, come on.
But respecting this. Put all of this at them.
Hey guys, these are the rules. Angel,
Yeah?
I drive past and you have to try and stick that slime to the window, okay?
All of this?
Yes, if you hit the window with it. You won't catch me, Angel. Oh no! Ah! 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 My leg, I'm on the prickles! Angel!
What's this?
Oh, she got us! That was really good. That was Angel, quick Leo, let's get out of here, let's get out of here, let's get out of here. Quick, quick, quick. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Ah! 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 No! No more, no more. Ah! Ah! Get you!
I'm gonna get you!
I'm drowning, I'm drowning. No you won't, no you won't, no you won't. Ah! Ah! It's on my leg. Ah! 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 My leg. Ah! 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 Oh! Ah! Ah! Angel! You are too naughty! Come here! Get her, Leo! Get her! Come on, let's get her! Get her, Leo! Come on, let's go, let's go! Woo! Yeah, let's get her! I'll get you with the slam! Come here, come here! Oh no, I missed you with the slam! Right, come on guys, it's time to finish the video. Oh! Ah! Not in the face! Angel, you look after, give that to Angel to look after her slam.
Nada. Roof.
Leo!
It's on the roof.
Leo, don't put it on the roof.
What?
Leo, why have you put that up there?
I just have.
Oh, stuck on the roof, guys. Angel! Angel! No! No! Ah! Ah! Angel, stop! Angel, Leo, stop! Ah! 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 Angel! Ah! Angel! Angel, stop! Stop! Angel! Ah! They won't let me down. Bye, guys. Leave a comment with your name down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.